In this video, we're going to show you a lightweight travel power chair, so stay tuned. This is called the Journey Air. They do make a Journey Air Elite, which is a carbon fiber version of this chair. This is not. This is the more cost-effective version. This is aluminum alloy. So there are two different versions. This unit's about 37.5 pounds with the battery inside it, or 34.5 pounds with the battery taken out. This unit does fold up. It is approved for all types of transportation. It does have a lithium battery. It's a 6-amp lithium battery. It's going to get about 6 miles on a full charge, and it's going to go 2.8 miles an hour top end speed. So it's a little bit slower, not quite as far, but it is a better cost alternative to the Elite version that they make of this unit here. This does still have a 240-pound weight capacity with a 6-degree climbing angle. So a lot of the specs are similar. It's more or less the material and the battery size. It does still come with those 150-watt motors, but it is a little bit different, so I'm going to show you the difference here. The seat is going to be a similar size. The seat on this unit is also that 17 inches in width, and then if you suppress the back, you're about 17.5 inches as well. In between the armrest, you're a little over 17.5 inches. The joystick can go on either side, either right hand or left hand side. On this particular unit here, there's nothing you have to do. All you do is simply pull up on the arm. Now these arms flip all the way back, all the way down to here, so it does get out of the way for transfers. So that is a little bit different than on the other unit. They don't fully get out of the way. On this particular unit, they do. Like I said, both armrests flip up, and this mount can go on the right hand side or on the left hand side. Now your battery is on this side. On this unit, does not look like they have the hookup for the extra battery. Unlike the Elite, you can snap one in and then switch it over when you're ready. But the battery is only 3 pounds, so you are able to carry it in this back pouch of the unit if you wanted to carry a secondary battery. Now these Legrests, just like on the other one, do come off. There's a little pin you can lift up here and slide the armrest off. And then both of these foot plates do flip up for easy access. Now, just like on the Elite, same thing. You can fold this up with this bottom cushion on, but I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take it off. It makes it a little bit easier. If you were to pull this cushion off, you are able to put whatever cushion you want on here. But do remember, if you go too high with it, you are going to sit higher than probably what's going to be comfortable. So make sure you go with a low profile cushion, whether you want air or gel or something else. You still can put that on here as well. Now once this unit is in this position, all you're going to do is you're going to grab these two handles and you're going to lift up, and it folds up like so. And then you have a bracket in the back that you can actually push these two handles down. So I will give you those measurements again, but what you're at here in overall height to the top of the joystick is under 30 inches. And then the overall width of the unit when it's folded up in this position is going to be about that 10.5 inches as well. And it's going to be similar. And the length when it's folded up to the front of the foot plate to the back is about 36 inches. If you took the foot plates off, now you're down to about 26 inches. So you are able to make this unit really small, really compact. It is going to have the 10.5-inch solid wheels in the back, and in the front, these are a little bit smaller. These are going to be about 5.5. On the Elite, I think we had 6.5-inch tires. So a little bit different. Put it back. All you're going to do is go ahead and push the two sides, snap the back upwards, and then you can go ahead and you can take the bottom cushion and go ahead and Velcro that back on. Like I said, you can put whatever cushion you want on there. Do remember that's going to add a little bit of weight to it, and you might not be able to fold it with the cushion. You have to remove it before you fold it. But just a quick recap, Journey Air, this is the one that's 37.5 pounds or 34.5 pounds if you remove the battery. You have a little pin right here. If you push that pin and lift up, your battery does come off. Now on this unit, there is no charging port, so you do have to charge it to the joystick. On the Elite, they upgraded the battery, and they do have a charging port, but this one does not. So all you would do is take that, snap that back in place. Oh, I stand corrected. The charging port is on the outside of the battery. That's why I didn't see it. You do have a charging port right here on the outside. You just don't have the built-in USB like you do on the other unit. You do have a USB right here in front of the joystick. There are a couple different speeds, but do remember this is going to be 2.8 miles an hour top end speed with about 6 miles of total drive distance. So if you want, we can go ahead and follow me outside. I'm going to drive it around so you can get kind of a perspective of what I look like sitting in this unit. What we have here is the Journey Air. This is also a 240-pound weight capacity unit, but this is an aluminum alloy, so it's a cost alternative one to the carbon fiber. This is somewhere in that mid 35-pound range of this unit, but once again, it does fold up. It is approved for all types of transportation. It is a good unit that if you're looking for something that's cost effective, that is going to not take up a lot of space. It folds down to about 10 inches and about 30 inches in total height. Once again, I'm 220 pounds. This has a 240 pound weight capacity. I'm 6 foot tall. You can kind of see how I'm sitting in this unit. There's not really any adjustability to these units besides maybe putting your own cushion on it. But if you're looking for a unit that's a cost alternative unit and you're under 240 pounds, go ahead and take a look at the Journey Air.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.